In this video, I am going to teach you two-letter words. Let's start.
So now our first word is it. I-T, it. Okay. Now first of all, I will write the letter I. I-T. It. Okay. What is this? It. I-T, it. Now we are writing the big letter and the small letter. Okay. So together we become a word. Okay. Now we have just written it. I-T, it. Now let's go to the next word, which is am. How do we write am? A-M. Am. What is this? Am. A-M. Am. Okay. Now let's come to the next word, which is O-N. On. What is this? O-N. On. क्या है ये बच्चों? On. Okay. Now we will write the next word, which is I-S. Is. क्या है ये? I-S. Is. Now let's move forward to our next word, which is V. W-E-V. क्या है ये? V. W-E-V. Next. N-O. No. क्या है ये? No. Okay. Now the next one is M-Y. See, this is small y. Okay. M-Y. My. Now the next one is, let's see, O-F. Small f, which is O-F. Off. What is this? Off. Now the next one is G-O. Go. क्या है ये? Go. G-O. Go. Next. H-E. He. क्या है ये? He. Now the next one is A-T. At. क्या है ये? At. Now the next one is D-O. Do. क्या है ये? Do. So what we just did, we did the two-letter words, यानी कि दो अक्षरों वाले शब्द. When we mix two letters, three letters or four letters, it becomes a word. So let's revise it. I-T, it. A-M, am. O-N, on. I-S, is. W-E-V. N-O, no. M-Y, my. O-F, off. G-O, go. H-E, he. A-T, at. D-O, do. Now for the very last time, let's do it together. Okay? It. Am. On. Is. We. No. My. Off. Go. He. At. Do. Yay! Finally, we did all our two-letter words. Okay, I hope you like the video. Please revise it at home. They are very useful words. Okay. Now see you in the next video and keep liking and subscribing my channel if you like our videos. Thank you. Bye.